How to sign the documents in 24 KRS system in Poland. Step-by-step manual. Good afternoon, I'm Bartosz, and I work for Progress Holding. For 20 years, Progress Holding has been helping investors and entrepreneurs from more than 30 countries confidently enter the Polish market and successfully grow their businesses. Our team supports clients at every stage, from company registration to daily accounting and administrative services. In today's video, we'll explain how to sign the documents in 24KR's system. Register in S24 system. You find it on website EKR's MS.gov PL S24. At the bottom, you find button, Create a new account. You have to fill your data, email, password. Tick to confirm you agree with the terms and conditions. You receive notification on your account. Open notification and click the link. Notification comes from GovPL sender. You will be transferred to the ePUAP account. ePUAP is a digital signature. Write your login and password in order to sign in ePUAP. Basically, you have to be registered in ePUAP beforehand. If you are not registered, find our registration manual on YouTube. This step is for confirming UID. When you log in, you will be transferred to S24 site. On S24 system, you have to insert your separate login and password for S24 and press Sign In. Go the main screen of S24 system. Click at RDF, Free Reporting of Financial Documents. Find the document you have to sign. Highlight the document and press Sign In. You will be requested to confirm. If you have something like screen below, please close it and click at the third window. Confirm your signature. If you are using Profil Zaufany, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity through the trusted profile. This step ensures that your signature has legal validity and is linked to a verified identity. Apply and confirm the signature. After successful authentication, the system will attach your digital signature to the document. You will be prompted to review the signed document. Make sure your signature is correctly displayed in the document summary. Send the signed document. Confirm the submission to complete the process. The system will generate a confirmation message or a reference number, which should be saved for record keeping. Verification and record keeping. After submission, the digital signature is saved together with the document in the S24 system. You can later access the document if you need to verify the signature. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, Progress Holding will be happy to answer them on email. Talk to you soon.